Just a few comments here for question number 3. It looks like you're using the P series, but this actually should be the direct comparison test. And here's what I'd say for 3A, for example. What you're telling me, which I do agree with, is you're telling me that if you're going from, let's see, I believe that is, get out of here. So 4 to infinity, right? So 4 to infinity of, sorry, that's not very clear. But if we have 1 over just plain old square root of x dx, we know that this is going to diverge because the p-value, right, this is really 1 over x to the 1/2, and p is less than 1, so that this diverges. Now, but what you know is that 1 over square root of x minus 1, when you make the denominator bigger, you make the fraction smaller. So that is, in fact, greater than 1 over x. So this thing diverges because p is less than 1. This diverges by the direct comparison test. And one other little question about this number 7, you were looking for a formula for the antiderivative between 1 and infinity of x to the n e to the negative x dx. And I see the first 2 examples, but I don't see the second part, which, in fact, we had spoken about in that Lunch and Learn. And then lastly, for question number 8, I see that you did this using U substitution. I do not see that you did it by integration by parts.